Phonics friends, thank you for joining me today as we learn a new sound. Have you got your brain switched on? Let's get started. The sound we are learning today is the sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Excellent. Let's look in my magic box and see if we can find anything that begins with the sound. Let's see what we'll find today. Oh, I found a hammer. 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 Excellent. See what else we can find. Oh, a horse. 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 Excellent. Let's see what else we can find in our box. A helmet. 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 Excellent. So we found a helmet, a horse, and a hammer, and they all start with the sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the sound. To write our sound, we start at the top, we go all the way down, halfway up, over and down. Now I want you joining in at home using your magic finger. You can use your hand as a magic piece of paper. Let's get our fingers ready. Big stretch and a wiggle, and get our shoulders ready for writing with a big roll, and off we go. Start at the top, down, halfway up, over and down. And again, start at the top, all the way down, halfway up, over and down. One last time. At the top, all the way down, halfway up, over and down. Excellent. Well done. Now let's have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is hug. Oh, I like hugs. My turn. Hug. Your turn. Hug. Excellent. My turn again. Hug. Your turn. Hug. Well done. See what our next word is. Hop. My turn. Hop. Your turn. Hop. Well done. My turn. Hop. Your turn. Hop. Excellent. And our last word for today is hat. My turn. Hat. Your turn. Hat. Well done. My turn. Hat. Your turn. Excellent. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the sound. I know you guys have worked really hard today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye.